Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about our first use case with the Docker. Okay, first case we can able to create how we can able to deploy our Docker in any web application like a Python, Java, or JavaScript. Any one we can able to how we can able to deploy. Simple way I'm going to show you. Okay, the first we need to open for step one to open for command prompt CMD. We need to open for that. You can CMD, and here you can able to search with the docker space hyphen version. Okay, in the previous video we saw about how to install and all, right? After that we can able to check whether it is installed perfectly or not. If you hit this one, it will provide you for which version of docker it is installed into your local. Okay, that is the first step. And second step, we need to do it for any web application installation. How you can able to install the web applications. See, now we don't have any developer right now, okay, and also we don't have any exe or something code developer perspective of developing code. We don't have, but we can able to use. There is a public shared applications, okay, public shared applications we have in the market, okay. By using that, we can able to download, okay. How you can able to download the simple approach I can able to show you, and the next video session time I can able to show you how the public repository will be presented. See, if you go for real-time environment, the private repository will be presented. Okay, your project, like in case if you are in real employee and you are working in a company, any project that could be in a private repositories, okay, that could not be in a public, okay. And some publicly like free versions they are going to provide, like how you can able to do it. The command I'm going to type here in the command prompt, okay, docker, okay, there's a docker and space run space hyphen p and space 5000 colon 5000, okay, and space in, okay, in 28-minute slash hello hyphen world hyphen. Now I'm going to do for Python application. I'm going to do this application colon, okay, 0.0.0.1 dot and a capital letters release. Okay, this is the command we need to uh, do it in a command prompt. Okay, I'm going to hit this command prompt. I'm going to maximize this command prompt. Now I'm going to paste, okay, which is the command I type into my place like notepad, and the same one I'm going to paste it. But here you can able to see this repo will be downloaded and it will be available. Okay, it will. Now I'm going to error during connection. This error may indicate that the Docker domain is not running. Okay, Docker is not running. Sorry, our Docker should be a run. Now Docker engine ID. See, I have done yesterday these all the things. Okay, I'm going to delete now. Okay, if you are already done the Docker installation, or for some showing purpose, I have already done that particular one. Okay, now I delete it. Now my Docker is up and running. This is my Docker. Okay, if you are not open, just please open your Docker. Okay, then you can able to try the same command. Okay, Now again I'm going to do a say command. Now we don't have that repo. Now you can see it is started the launching of the server and everything, and it is installed and everything it is done. If you go for here, again you can see this is my running port. Okay, it is already installed one. Okay, previous I have already installed, that's why it is installed immediately. In case if you are installing it freshly, right, then you will get some installation setups here. You can able to see some installation, and also it will give you some URLs. This is that URL it is opening, and this is the URL server side it is working, Docker server side. Okay, if you want to close this particular server, you can able to use for Control plus C. Control plus C. Now what it will be there, this is my hello world in a Python format. I'm going to take it, right? Now how you can able to open localhost and colon 5000, localhost 5000 colon. Now you can see hello world Python v1 is available. Okay, and if you want to do for any JavaScript related things, okay, now I'm going to do for Control C. Now I'm starting stop to my. Okay, now how you can able to do it for Java related web application deployments. Now you can see that very easy to deploy that Python related project, right? How easily it is installed very quickly, right? If you have already done everything setup, it will do very fast. Okay, now if I want to do for Java, the same command I'm going to use. Okay, and here there is a Java I'm going to change. Here I'm going to change for Java. Okay, same one we can able to use, and here paste and enter. Now see, unable to find image. Now again it is start for pulling that particular project in a public repo. Now it is downloading because previous I have already installed. That's why it is done. Now previous I'm not done for Java. Now it is downloading that entire repo, and now it is going to do for newer image. Now you can see Spring Boot and everything it is providing. Okay, it is take very fast to implement. Now it is almost all is ready, and conditional classes. See, almost all it is set up everything. Okay, now here you can see Tomcat started on port of 5000 with the content with path. Okay, this means out this is started RESTful web services application is started. Means we can able to use for Java application the same port. Okay, we can able to use for same port. If I refresh and enter, now you can see Java v1 application is came. Okay, hello world Java v1. Previous we are used for Python. Now we are using for Java application. It's a very quick, we can able to install and we can able to do it. Okay, and in case if you want to use for any related like any installation by using for manual, right, we need to know about that what type of project and what is the softwares are required, and how much space is required in hardware location, and what is the OSS it is supporting and software and everything you need to know about it. Then only you can able to do for deployment, otherwise you cannot do, right? Because we can able to get lot of errors. Now without any things, just we can able to hit that particular one and we can able to do it. Okay, I'll explain you what exactly this one and what exactly this one and how this works and everything. I'll explain in next video session time. Okay, in case if you want to install for Node.js applications or JavaScript applications, how you can able to use, here we can able to use for Node.js, just for changing that Node.js. Okay, use the Node.js and copy here, and you can able to Control C. Okay, and once you've done the Control C, you can able to see it got 4 minutes ago and 2 minutes ago it started and ended. Okay, two projects are added into your Docker desktop also. Okay, if I use for Node.js application, now if I use for Node.js, it will start for ready to on port of 5000. Okay, it is asking for ready, it is a Node.js is already ready. We'll see the port, we can able to refresh. See, JavaScript is ready, hello world JavaScript v1, as much as quick it is installed and it is using. Okay, because we have already installed into my video, like in my system, that's why it is already installed very quick. In case if you are not done right, previous how it is showing while we are doing for Java time, it is so that there is a image container, it is not presented like that, and after that it is going for unzipping and everything, right? We'll go for top. It will take time. 1 minute. Now you can see here, after do the Python this one, and here see, and this is the unable to find my image of this particular one locally, and then this is the release pulling of that, because it is not able to find this particular Java project locally, and then it is started for releasing that particular public pool it is getting, and once it is getting, that entire pool is checking. Once the checking, then it will download for that entire image. Okay, once it is done that entire image, Docker image, then it will start for installation into the local. Okay, once it is installed, and then it will start for using. Okay, similar format of JavaScript also. Okay, simply it can able to use it. Okay, now we can see JavaScript also we can able to use. Okay, this way we can able to install our uh, Docker deployments. Okay, simple and very easy. And maybe you will get for some questions. Why do you use for localhost? Why can't you use for some server IP addresses and all? That also we can able to use. When you can able to use when you are using for Docker toolboxes. Okay, that moment we can able to use for server side. Okay, that also we can able to use. How to find your IP address and all? Just open some command prompt. Okay, and type for ip config, then you can able to see there is a IP address called this one, and you can able to copy and come back to here, and the local host place, right? Remove the local host and provide this one, and you can able to see still you can able to access for that particular hello world JavaScript. Okay, by using the IP address also we can able to do it without any issue. Okay, if you want to stop, you can able to use for Control C. Okay, once you use the Control C, it will stop it, and you can able to reuse. Why this one it is not stopped? Yeah, it is taking bit time to close. Okay, now we are able to stop, and if you after stopping the server, if you hit again, see the site cannot be reachable. Okay, whenever you do that particular installation and all deployments, then only we can able to use it, otherwise we cannot able to use. Even IP address also you can able to use, and without IP address we can able to by using for local host also we can able to use. And here that there is a information presented, right? What exactly this information is presented, what exactly this one, and how these ports are working and all we'll discuss about the next video session time. Okay, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.